Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare GearUp Booster and LagoFast. GearUp Booster and LagoFast are game optimization tools to reduce lag and improve gaming performance. GearUp Booster is a mobile game optimizer that helps reduce lag and improve network stability. It lowers ping and packet loss for smoother gaming, especially for console and mobile players. The app is easy to use, making it great for gamers seeking a simple solution. It performs well in areas with high network traffic but may offer only slight improvements. The application is lightweight and easy to set up, requiring no advanced technical knowledge. It is a great option for gamers seeking an easy-to-use tool for reducing lag and improving performance. On the other hand, LagoFast provides both software and hardware solutions to optimize internet connections for better gaming performance. The app provides one-tap boosting to reduce ping, and the LagoFast box stabilizes network connections for consoles. It works across mobile, PC, and consoles, offering a broad compatibility. Many users see improvements, but some report issues with latency and connection drops. LagoFast supports a wide range of games, making it flexible for gamers across different platforms. Its effectiveness varies, with users reporting mixed experience with connection stability. In my opinion, GearUp Booster is best for simplicity and focused performance, while LagoFast offers more flexibility. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.